Hello guys, I hope you look at well. These are gold and black business card templates. You can easily download from the link in the description. Here my website by GFX, and you can download graphic templates for free. Here is PSD format of. You can download many other graphic templates for free on my website. Here in this template you can see it's completely customizable font, logo, back, background. This is the back of the card, and here is back, element, effect, again background incident. You can see contact details, address. Just simply replace by double clicking replace and write your own text. And is actually the front of the card, which have height. So I know you can do this. Write your own number, replace. Just let me show you front page of card. So I know you can do this. Here is the back of the card, Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.